This is our patient. She has hearing problem. So that means something wrong in her ear. Oh, yes. There are so many germs. Now you have to clear the remaining of these germs to make it free. Now we are washing the air. This is the ear drops. Now we are removing the other particle. This is the hair. Yes. Yes. This is yes. Yes, we are making the inner layer of the ear. So we have made it. Oh, these germs should be washed out clearly. Yes. Yes, there was one remaining. So this is also washed out. Now this was a thermo treatment. Yes. We have to remove the acne is filled with pus, so we have to drain the pus. Now she has all right to hear everything she wants.